Hello dear viewers, this is the Teahouse program from TV channel Tours and Folk Crafts. Right now we are at the Nabot Teahouse and we're going to give you full information about this place. Be with us to the end of this program. The tea house is not only a place to drink tea and relax in, but also a favorite place for adults and young people. Tea houses in all cities and in any areas can be used to foster mutual love and also have the mission of a school of human and humanitarian education. The countries of the East are famous for having a place like a tea house among the world because here is not only a place to eat delicious food but also to have conversations with friends and relatives that calm the soul. One of the famous and beloved tea houses of the residents and visitors of the capital is the Nabot Teahouse, which is famous among the people. This tea house started its operation in 2022. It was built with the elements of the national culture, carving, flower carving, and painting. It has added another charm to the beauty of Dushanbe city.
Nabot Teahouse was planned during the years of developing tourism and folk crafts and was commissioned in 2022 by the young entrepreneur Mousir Mirzo. As soon as you enter to Nabot Teahouse, you will feel a Tajik atmosphere. During its operation, Nabot Teahouse has been found of by the residents of the country, including the capital of the country and tourists who come to Tajikistan, and we intended to increase these measures in the future.
In modern tea houses, except drinking tea, they offer hot meals, soups, pilaf, dumplings, and other national dishes. It has a wonderful taste. Everyone who visits this place once, after drinking tea and eating national food, will definitely want to come here again.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, my name is Samit. I live in Germany and I have been in your beautiful country for 2 days. And we managed to see the beautiful places of this country up close, as well as get to know the people and culture of this place. We were very warm welcomed, and the being in your country really gives a person a new spirit. We were also in the National Museum, and we were able to know a little about the history and culture of Tajikistan. And I should mention that I am in Tajikistan for the first time, and I have never eaten such delicious food and never seen such beautiful sights as this place. And I am proud of this to be here. This is the first time I have been to this tea house, and I was able to eat really delicious traditional Tajik food, and I am very grateful for that.
Was ich so zuvor noch nie gegessen habe, und dafür bin ich wirklich sehr dankbar.
There are some tables and chairs with national motifs and special rooms on both sides of the tea house. Usually one of the national and lovely arts which has its own attractiveness and has been inherited from our ancestors is the art of carving. This ancient and effective art is reflected in this spacious and magnificent tea house. It has also captured the hearts of tourists visiting this place with national motifs and paintings. Looking at this beautiful and imaginative scenes make a person enthusiastic about life. It should be noted that the whole of this tea house is separated by special rooms, which residents and guests can choose according to their taste.
Hallo, ich bin Matthias, 32 Jahre alt.
Hi, I am Matthias and 32 years old from Germany. It's the first time that I have come to Tajikistan, and I'm very happy because during this short time that we have been here, we have visited many historical, cultural and historic places of Dushanbe city. And now we are in Nabot Teahouse. This place is decorated with national decorations, and the food is very
Viel wird
delicious.
hier neu gebaut und viele neue Sachen. Also es ist ein sehr schöner Platz hier.
The creation of such national and ancestral crafts requires a colorful imagination. If it seems difficult to recreate such paintings, it plays a significant role in creating beautiful recreation areas and other places of history. Also, we can keep our ancestral profession alive and growing in this way. It is a tribute to a rich culture that every year hundreds of foreign tourists visit the country and see the recreation and entertainment places of Dushanbe city, praising this beloved country, which is a source of pride for every Tajik and Tajik citizen. The Nabot Teahouse is also one of the places that it is in interest of residents and visitors of the country. Dear viewers, we have reached the end of the tea house program. In the next time, we are going to give you full information about the tea houses. Goodbye and take care.